Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign into your AliExpress account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign into your AliExpress account, firstly open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in aliexpress.com and make a search. The official page of AliExpress will appear on the screen. Tap on an human icon at the top right corner of the screen. On the next page, tap on Sign In option. Enter your email address and password associated with your AliExpress account and tap on Sign In. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can sign into your AliExpress account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.